As a more woman no do.
David. Now this is about 3 matches. Oma say about ko ya draw back
no make in terms of say Atletico Madrid team or you very good in terms of defense. Now Atletico Madrid in the 70th minute I said 2-0. Barca say ya draw cry mpe. No ma be so 4.
You be strong.
It's serious. No problem. No problem.
And Monday on. Na obi here motivation and power. And I think say for your sports program no, we will pick a motivation from Newcastle. Rich. To wait 70 years here, it will be lifetime. And see, imagine Obi a no na obey as your Newcastle no support it. It means 70 years in here. Idea for the domestic trophy. And I think that the lessons are very, very
good. Wait, the fact me na semi Nhyira way him. It looks like I'm say a match feedback we. Auntie. Momon Shamana. Yen church me the Nhyira was 4.5 FM. It's mo. Mon journey live on Facebook. Go back to me domestic na bana. Yakin kan enso ediama still. Yedi amanen komanansa ni wi a. Ghana Premier League ahun samo Black Stars and so nyame adoma if ya dey di anim yen ye World Cup qualifiers no sa dia to so ye bo against Chad and san on Monday ya travel dia Morocco akobo omanya ye from say Madagascar nti players no so oma shase e ba dodo na e ba omoboabo am for that showdown that yenim no tini na na ye ba fia no so e ba be kan wasem ewo eye afidie ba se de yedi amanen nkoma no nso betimi adwane en live on Facebook in Shawanzo 4.5 FM na yedi dwumadie no enso etimi edi mamo enti messages no ye twen some so betimi edi mo de no about survivor GH say please can you create Telegram channel for us. Telegram okay Pauli mo ebehwe na omo so betimi akriti bi edi amamo amo ewo Telegram no ahonsam no eno no Miss Bao Adams say fantastic sports. Kojo Mensa Philip say Barcelona is the best. Nana Kofi I said what Liverpool did yesterday was a pure wickedness and witchcraft. As we could bet to do now. I'm Valentino Bombe, you know. Yeah, okay, Frank Junior. Message no Adria. I say agenda program okay. All right, young comrade. O message is in the all the Spanish and show you said you. They say they're dampa.
Nice one.
And with them come on.
Now, Rich, that make us say to wait 70 years now our club NG trophy there. A whole lifetime. And say Ubenya Obia, Rich, or spanning between 1955 to 2025. Na owo GDA say one day ne club Newcastle ebe lifted domestic trophy bi mu a Rich motivation ben na ohia na no pai dan sadie we ebi a wo twen bibi embaye eya wo sa che say odia finally it will come enti Newcastle na ema ye Monday motivation say omoje trophy no was in 1955 and in 2025 omo etimi ensa aka another trophy ewo ho now Rich you see obi nkwam haye de no na so obi so pai se na abo ayira look Monday last week na the only trophy at Liverpool free mu was the Emirates FA Cup. Champions League was loading. Carabao Cup final, EPL loading. Rich, by Sunday, now Liverpool off the Champions League, omo entimi ansa the Carabao Cup. Today, the only trophy of Liverpool betimi age the English Premier League. And over I Saturday me catch it say Newcastle nimno say Liverpool nimno went me and say Newcastle. Rich, we will come here and say all of a sudden the Liverpool team level now near do my two this season, you know, they are breaking down. And how many people will even mention Mo Salah for Ballon d'Or? All of that's off just because of 1 week. 2 crucial games. Liverpool. I bought those games in the Nhyira. But Rich, you don't take anything away from Newcastle. And I think Slot was spot on within the post match and he said, look, finals, yeah, boss, and Enra at Wembley, right from the blast of the whistle, Rich, you could clearly see Newcastle came to make history by winning the trophy. And Mamika says the same way. I suspect, Rich, there are 2 Liverpool midweek, they couldn't rise up from the hangover.
From the shock.
Yes. Assure Musama. Ayomu they couldn't omenti me and fan 2 omachi to rise to the Carabao Cup final. And you could clearly see from the attitude, the behavior, any players need me now on the pitch. Look, Champions League cry from the Carabao Cup the but Newcastle there, and you walk up, mom, and you walk up. Now look at the goals now Newcastle say, Rich. In a set piece situation, how do you tell McAllister? Say, oh no, market them. How? Say, we show me difference in height now. It was a mistake. So McAllister said, in a set piece, out of the Liverpool players, no market them. Look at this goal now that Ben say, McAllister couldn't even just say, by the time let them bear now FIFA is asking of the price tag of Alexander Isak. Now my office one I meet him and Rich so same come when you say I was a brand about Manchester United.
Oh na me bisa so nya omo. Davi. Okay.
Na nya wan na otifia ha. Mabeka cho say strikers be rumors say Barca omo rejecting Man U a o kasa onu omo ya dream because they need to fight for club or Champions League. Now why do you want to deny Alexander Isak Champions League next season with form no one?
Europa no.
The other thing that Victor Gokers money are you there on form go Europa.
Around you and I'm feeling no. But modern day strike. Until
a case of a combat over unya. O combat do maintain ba unya. Rich. Alexander Isak in kakran Rich. The instinct, the technique, and the composer in the penalty box. Top notch. And I'll write and seal it. By the time of the coaches, I will say go Rich. The game was gone. The intensity and Bibia never final more. And also one team shows on and also winning piano. Rich, it came from Newcastle and not Tima. He offended Liverpool. So deservingly, Omo deserve say Omo Ebeje Omo Cup na Omo G Rich. Omo G Cup ni and Nigen was over the moon. Na me so who say picture we are. Uni muni background. You find Darwin Ace on a CEO. Edman Newcastle, Rich, or the trophy you could die. Chief Executive Officer Nankasa
70 years there,
Echo J trophy no, at the Echo die na dressing room or the Rich, na enyasam kitua. Now Rich, I will end the Newcastle story with this tweet. The Public Investment Fund of Saudi Arabia. After Newcastle a winning trophy no, and I almost edit this tweet about PIF correlates Newcastle on the club's historic victory in the Carabao Cup final today at Wembley Stadium, London. Rich, Sikaya Adeyeye, because me kai some years ago under Mike Ashley, Sports Direct. Now we are every day we are Newcastle supporters in protest. So run on team your team now. Often to on team invest Newcastle team top players. All of a sudden, Saudi Arabia rich money. Every run Newcastle more 70 years. They've won a trophy after all. Now, me so say yeah, cause I say no. People like Pato Mone Bernard Mwenimo, and I saw it Castle. Oh. And so has this can be so no yentimi NJ trophy on the rich this coming no now rich you see Michelle game ni was Saramika still in years now ha that's what I mean for me zanka na so meeting nka say make say abra me ho and was me the fatilo be so kire fatilo say me shirt na ma de ni and so the
omo shirt
na shirt so I even na dey be say adwuma de bia say ya dey no there's a problem with that if they will fix it rich Michelle game no was Saramika but before my career Madrid game no rich only omo ka say Real Madrid is turning into a killer Mbappé team no it seems that now the team is gradually turning into a killer Mbappé led team and that was his dream. Obey a trials for Real Madrid, see the icon Ronaldo play for the club. Now also dreaming so about the Bono. Rich, that was his dream. Say Ronaldo is my idol. We are called Real Madrid. And we are trophies. We are the face of the club. One day I want to also get the opportunity to go to Real Madrid and be the face of the club and win trophies with them. Rich, I did be any as we saw a day. Say also that now when we said that physical and it is happening in front of you. Now the debut season your moon cry was 31 goals. Ronaldo Dalima, the debut season for Real Madrid, that's 30 goals. Kylian Mbappé is making Real Madrid impact now. Send you one. Now, Michelle game nibi. Time out fight first goal no. As someone me catch him home say we were here on Saturday and say two teams in ever goal. And they have Villa last on first goal no. Real Madrid are also going to score. Over Saturday me catch him say Adia minimum Villarreal when they say they are very very good attacking team, but almost one of the weakest defense. And with Real Madrid for front training no mu pace no. Me and they. If I'm going to say, is it okay? Are you okay now? Okay. With Real Madrid for almost front training no mu pace no. There is no way about Makasa Omu should go. Now Rich, look at the goals that Kylian Mbappé scored. You could clearly see say there were a lot of spaces. Look at spacer who afforded Kylian Mbappé right at the edge of your penalty box. There is no way about preventing Kylian Mbappé from scoring against this team with the form now or woman. And he got the job done 2-1. And I Real Madrid a win here. Now your phone game no was a bitch away. Rich. Madrid plays their bread. Because over 120 minutes against Atletico Madrid, within 72 hours, they are playing a very, very demanding game. Our Saramika almost at 2 coin. It's a bull game, you know. You could feel Jude Bellingham and Kylian Mbappé because 2 players were there. Over 120 minutes, and almost about 90 minutes. Rich players need break too much. Then came the remontada. Look. We gave Atletico Madrid a taste of their own poison. Domo de be ye o league ni mu no. Ye share omo beti emsa mayen meko last hour they won the game 2-1 with Salah. It is the same thing na Barcelona the year. Now wait. Mami fa won kwa hawo. Na me fa manum brewe. Barcelona says second goal. Let me take you me do back. But me say me do back Barcelona second goal no. Good, so let me go back. This is the build. na Rich Shadi bio. Barcelona da form 2-1. Then Barcelona enya equalize our half. Look at Pedri. One didn't hear you 2-2. And Odimi can say young football and so also the extended video of the second goal on Kwa. Rich Barcelona didn't jubilate. Second goal no so wildly. They took the ball and sent it back to the center line. Why do you think that they were doing that? Because at 2-2, Rich, they started sense it's a game way. You beat me a winning. It's your pro game, no. You realize that has a flick echo or say the mentality of the boys. And incredible and on this and no animal winning this game way. Rich, football is all about the mentality. Now to answer our question, no, look. Now only 50 cars about the way Barcelona seems to as a easy mind to unlock team and Atletico Madrid. Only be the idea. Say Atletico Madrid in the Real Madrid they bar. Atletico Madrid they play 4-4-2. So more 4 midfielders. Real Madrid Ebo and Carlo Ancelotti 4-3-3. And more 3 midfielders. And nobody from Rodrigo, Kylian Mbappé, and Vinicius. Nobody in the person Ojai anymore. Ever say in 15 derby. But at Barcelona, Rich, see a good game now. Your left back body, Ebo as a midfielder. Rafinha, say body could anymore. Or pushing Rafinha inside. And on no Rafinha, Daniel Olmo, and Marc Casado, and a Pedri 4 midfielders. Number 2, Rich Uchu Mutaya. Barcelona ever midfielders are Omuni Boni Kuta. Any ball pass it, I think team friend Real Madrid in Premier League. And when it comes to see a dominating game, no, near ball number 51 there. Barcelona will always dominate team. Your friend Atletico Madrid. And see, another super goal from Lamine Yamal, then an impact substitution from the Shaq Ferran Torres. Rich, the MSC, yes, I have call in the second leg of the Copa del Rey. Yes, I question team and friend Atletico Madrid. Yes, I question Mobium. So last time I catch you say, the Omonia when you know Omonia dada away home. Now 2 games now come home. Barcelona says Omuni born in Bochum, and whenever we go there, we are going to do the job of a team. Your friend Atletico Madrid. Many man who's in just 1 minute. Rich, it seems that failure Inter started as champion authority. I was Serie A so. Napoli are more stretch, but se say Inter started the 9-8 form. And me call sorry by ya, me saw me TV na team e fe Napoli a Converencia any your mobile. Rich me ti game ho. Then the game ended 0-0. And I'm saying, game you will be answer be there. Any anumere e Bergamo. Inter echo away to Atlanta no. Was going to be a blast of the game. Now, Inter lineup the buy, Rich, me share me who DiMarco, but me who Carlos Augusto. And I'm sure this is a machine. Inzaghi aye, no matter the obe fiti woman or Bayern Jumano. True to my words, Rich, Carlos Augusto got the first goal, and Lautaro Martinez, the captain on form now, added the second goal. 2-0, and Inter Eddie Free Bergamo. Eddie Ebefia, Omo Etimi Ewini. What that means, and say, Rich Siciano, Omo be 3 points on top of the Serie A. And I think, say, side weekend way, and I able properly Inter to take over the Serie A and win back to back. Now, Metimi defend your title, and was Serie A. So it was a good week. And a lot of the clubs, especially the Barcelona winner, Mukonyae. Ewo far away, ewo wanda metropolitan. Ninti, Rich, Yemrefi. Na if you so na nya some ketwa. If you say kotoko akobo draw. 3. Has so when yagbe na mekai meni pebi ola ya coffee ball asi. So o ma wiye kra anwumre. Yes, 30 game na less than 5 minutes. Yes, dreams are one. Has better. Rich, Ambaso.
Dreams.